Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Monopolistic competition. Monopolistic competition exists when there is a large group of firms producing commodities similar to one another but not identical. Monopolistic competition is a variety of imperfect competition, and conceptually it is nearer to the perfect competition than the other varieties of imperfect competition. Under monopolistic competition, the cross-elasticity of demand for product of a single firm would be zero. Pure monopoly. Pure monopoly exists if there is only one seller with closed entry producing goods for which there is no ideal substitute. It implies complete control over supply and leads to super profits. Duopoly. Duopoly means control over supply by two firms. Duopoly is generally regarded as a special case of oligopoly. Oligopoly exists when there are only few firms controlling the supply. In an oligopoly situation, each firm has to consider carefully the price and output policies of the other firm and plan its price and output policies accordingly. For example, OPEC is an organization of a few petroleum selling countries. It is an example of oligopoly. Monospony. Monospony is monopoly of buyer. It exists when there are many sellers but only one buyer. Monospony is rarely found. Duospony. Duospony is a situation when there are only two buyers but many sellers. When there are only a few buyers but many sellers, it is referred as oligopoly. Bilateral monopoly. It is a situation when there is only one seller and only one buyer. For example, in labor market, the workers in an industry may be member of a single trade union which fixes the terms under which the labor is supplied. There may on the other side be a single employer, or all the employers may be organized in a single association which fixes the terms under which labor is employed. Wages. The price of labor is determined by negotiation between the two monopolists, employers association and trade union, through collective bargaining. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.